Yo, what is going on, everybody? My name is Dalton. Welcome back to an episode of Garage 99. Today we are just doing an update on the countertops. So we actually just glued this guy down. If you haven't watched the other video already, this is my man cave that I am currently working on. There's a lot of stuff that we're doing to it. So this is the cabinets we just got. They're all secure, they're all connected. We did have to trim out this part of the cabinet a little bit because we have a pretty good sized sink that's gonna be fitting in here. So we test fit the countertop already, and now I just liquid nailed it. So I don't know how long the liquid nail takes to cure, but this is exactly where we want it. I'm gonna wait for it to dry. We're probably gonna do like a thin butcher block backsplash as well. And then I'm gonna put a couple brackets in underneath the fridge to keep it more secure. I think it'll be fine. It's pretty freaking solid, so I'm not too worried about it. You know, that is what it looks like. So we'll come back once it is all dry so we can cut it up for the sink. And who knows, maybe put the sink in too today. I'm gonna try and get as much as I can for this video for you guys. All right, I forgot to video it, but we very carefully cut all the way through here. It's 33 inches wide, 18 inches deep. We couldn't obviously go to the edges of it, so he's chiseling the corners now. And then we will give the sink a test fit and see how it turns out. I imagine it will probably look pretty good. Imagine. Probably won't though. All right, and thanks to mine and Eric's finest work, we have ourselves what looks to be a almost completed project outside of gluing it down, sanding it, putting the hardware on, moving faucets and all the rest of the stuff, but it looks good. It's almost there, getting close. Got the cuts all made, fits really good, fits nice and tight. Just cleaned everything up. I think we're gonna make Kristen do that sometime. Yeah, I should wake her up from her nap and have her do this. That wouldn't piss her off at all. And then pick some faucets out, put the hardware on, and it's a garage. Oh, there's plumbing too, that's right. But yeah, we have to run, oh, you guys can peep my really awesome cut work. There's the drain, and there's water supply somewhere back there. That's the laundry room back there. So all I have to do is cut a hole wherever I need water supply and just run it through. So that shouldn't be a difficult task, as long as I don't mess anything up. Because if I do, it's my responsibility, because it's my house and I always forget that. I can't be like, Mom, I messed up. Okay, so it's been a couple days. Kristen's got this thing all stained up. I think we're just gonna do the one coat. I like the way it looks. Looks really nice with the sink and everything. So I've got the sink test fitted in here right now because we just picked up this beautiful, nice black faucet, and we're going to try and figure out where it needs to go, what kind of drill bit we need, if I can run it and get everything all nice and set up the way it needs to be before we actually install it. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it, and we're gonna see where we can put it. Okay, so realistically, that's about what that's gonna look like. I'm holding all the houses taut so it'll look like it's still, but that's what that's gonna look like. And that's the little soap dispenser, and there's the whole thing. So I'm gonna take all this back out. Now that I made a mess, I'll have Kristen polyurethane this, and the shelf over there that we made. I don't know if I mentioned that we made a little battery shelf for all the cobalt stuff. So all that stuff, along with the charger, can all sit right there. But yeah, I think we are done with cutting and everything. Wow, oh my God, this is turning out to be amazing. I think that's gonna do it for this week's video. I'd like to thank you all so much for watching. It's been a super long week. I'm really glad we had this amazing woodward weekend put up for you guys. Next video may be the hoist. I'm not really sure, but I'd like to thank you all so much for watching. Guys, like the video if you like the video. Subscribe. Comment what you want to see down below if you like how the garage is coming out. But yeah, just let me know, because I'm thoroughly enjoying this build so far. Don't get me wrong, I like building cars, but sometimes you just need a cool man cave to hang out at. Peace out and keep turning those gears, guys.